Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make this simple animated logo that you see on the screen right now. Once again, we'll start out on the edit page. Right click in the media pool. New Fusion composition. You can name it if you'd like, but you don't have to. Go ahead and leave it on 5 seconds. And go to Fusion. For those of you that don't know me, I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. Cannot use my hands and arms. Grab a background node off the toolbar. Turn the alpha all the way down. Go to one viewer. Grab a text node. Merge it into the background. Put the text you're liking in. Set your tracking, your light, spacing, and everything now. And hit this anchor. That'll move the text to the right. Now this is going to be probably a 2-part tutorial. First one, we're going to make the logo. Second one, I'm going to show you how to pack this logo up into a preset that you can send to somebody else, and the logo will go along with it. If you don't do it in a specific way, when they get it, it'll be broke because the logo will not follow along in the a normal preset. So we're going to bring the logo in using the loader node because you have to have it for that. We are going to make a macro at the end of this too. So shift spacebar and type in loader. Merge that into merge 1 with merge 2 selected. We'll go to the inspector and size it. Right click on center, modify width, X and Y path. Now we made this little modifier, select it, and double click on the X and the Y to get rid of the keyframes. And right click on the X, modify width, anim curves. On the scale, go 0.53. The offset, go minus 0.09. And on the time scale, 3.5. Give it a play, see how it looks. Go back to the inspector under curve, change from linear to easing. On the ease out, go to sign. Now to come in and slow down. Okay, with the merge 2 selected, shift spacebar and drop shadow. Now select the drop shadow and get a transform and another one. Select the first transform, transform 1, go to center, right click, modify width, perturb. You don't have to do this if you don't want. You will have the controls to turn it on and off in the inspector. As you see by default, we got a lot of craziness going on. So go to modifier. On the X scale and the Y scale, go 0.05. That's why I'm going to leave mine by default. If you want it to be still, just take the X and the Y and boom all the way down to 0. Okay, now we can make the macro. Let's rename a couple of these nodes first. Transform 2. Let's call it group controls. And the logo, let's rename it logo. Okay, go ahead and follow along here. Make sure no nodes are selected. Click a few times on the node grid. Hold down the control button. Follow along with me. Hit A on the keyboard. Make sure the control button is still down. On Mac, I think it's option button. Deselect the media out. We do not want that one. Right click on any one of the other nodes. Over to macro. Create macro. Give it a name. If you want to add the options to change the text, mark it from here down to the H justify. I'm just going to add the color on mine. And group controls. Center, size, and angle. Change center to group controls. Perturb. Drop shadow. Anim curve. Come up here to File. Save as group. It'll take it to macros, but go to Fusion. Templates. Edit. Titles. Here's where you can make a folder if you need to. I already have one made. Close out your macro. Here's mine. If you click on it, you see the inspector. We have all the controls we need. Size, angle, all the perturb, drop shadow, well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.